What's good, Bratbunch? We're back with another video.
Back with another banger.
Back with something that hopefully you guys want to see. Period. So today, we're going to be trying to fashion outfits out of $10 worth of Dollar Tree materials.
Yes, so we made up this challenge ourselves. Well, we got some inspiration from Nikki and Gabby on YouTube. If y'all are familiar with them, they did this Dollar Tree challenge where they had to make an outfit from whatever they found in Dollar Tree. So we decided we had to make a Christmas outfit from whatever we found in Dollar Tree, and we gave ourselves a $10 price limit. So y'all see I got some bubble wrap. What I'm gonna do with that? And this is all these things I got. I got feather boas. I got these cure pipes, these little things. I got some bows. I got this little kid skirt. I don't know what I'm really gonna do with that.
I thought about getting that, but I was like, I'm big behind.
Right, that's what I'm thinking. And I got this. I don't really know what I was thinking with these gift bags either, low key, but we'll see. We will see.
Okay, so I got. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're good. I forgot to say it. Oh, and I got Hot Girl Christmas. So I'm talking about.
So I got this rectangular red
tablecloth that she got after she saw me get it.
I didn't see Jasmine over there. Mind you, she hadn't touched anything. I didn't know what she was gonna do.
Clearly no.
So then I got this, which in my head I was like, okay, it could be cute crop. We gonna see. I got some pantyhose because I was like, a little something for the legs. Then I got like just mad feather boas. So, and some tinsel. And then we both had, this was not part of our $10 part, but we needed this. So, we got some tape glitter. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, y'all, I have on, because I didn't want my outfit to be thrown off by like my underparts, I have on some biker shorts. So, and they're skin, like they're flesh tone. This is before I knew I was going to be getting pantyhose, so yeah. Here.
Sorry y'all, I am underprepared.
And I have on it's a crop top, but y'all, it's barely giving that. So let me make sure everything's together so that my stuff will just be easier. Alright, so first thing I need to do is try to get this shirt together so that I don't have to keep what I got on. Oh, this isn't as long as I thought it was. Oh, snap.
This is cute, y'all, ain't it?
This is not as wide as I thought, y'all.
You done fucked up now!
Oh, like, okay, I have to tuck it into my shirt. So we just gonna be cute from the front. Just with the back. Alright. I can't play. I'm sick. Should I make a hair piece too? Hold up now. Don't play with her. She's not one of them. Let me take off my previous hair accessory. Oh, shoot, I almost ripped my skirt, child.
I'm so weak.
Maybe walk up into the club like this. All eyes on you. Ow, the tinsels hurting my nails. Maybe they really gonna be on you if your skirt coming off like this. Y'all, I'm back to the drawing board because the white shirt idea, I wasn't here for it. This is too much. So I'm gonna make me a cute little feather crop top bandeau top type of situation. And that's what we're gonna do in the girls. You did too much, sis. You did too much.
Alright, y'all, so I got my little wraparound skirt with the little slit or whatever.
No, not the slit with the nice track pants underneath.
Yeah, girl, that Adidas look, you know,
Oh,
we
okay,
still
okay,
do it. We still do this. Whatever, but yeah, girl, so just a little...
You see how the slit show the brand? You know what I'm saying?
Little ruche on the side.
Not the ruche. Not Le Roche. Well, I'm playing. I wear this in real life. Real time. No, I'm lying, but I did buy a shirt kind of similar to this off Amazon. And low-key, I think I made mine better. They boo-boo. You boo-boo. You tea. You turn down. You thirsty. Who remembers that song? Drop in the comments down below. Y'all see what she giving? Ooh, don't play with her. Don't play with her. She is not one of them. Y'all know how to go to the club with the towels, you can wipe your sweat. There you go. Then, girl, you just tape it like this so it don't nothing. Ooh, you know, try not to wrinkle the tape when you do it, but so don't let them pop out. You gotta be real careful how you be moving now, cause that's what she giving. That is what she giving. And like I said, you just gotta sit and look cute in this outfit, okay? And you don't want to
trying to do too much. Don't be trying to do too much. Trying to be seen, John.
Don't be trying to be seen, okay? You just sit on the wall, real cute. Hey, how are you? Merry Christmas. And that's on period. You got you a cute little fit, all for under. And really, I ain't even used all the supplies. We got what, 1, 2 supplies, all for $8, baby. What you say? What you know about that? What you know about that? Your whole fit, and you know, if you want to be a little bougie with the tinsel. What is it? What are they calling these? A tinsel shawl, baby. Who is that playing with? Not you. Not you. Now your shirt on this side, she trying to act a little funny. say you meet Prince Charming or whatever, and you gotta leave, you gonna leave a trail of feathers, baby. So he gonna find you. He gonna find you.
So stupid.
And we cute. We sitting pretty. I guess I'll help the competition.
What?
Nice little bubble wrap.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
That made me laugh, girl. My shirt gonna come off.
Girl, my knees. What kind of design is this? Okay, bet I can cover that up right there. What's tight? Uh-oh. Taking feathers off.
That's sweet. So at least you can make you some bracelets out of them pipe cleaners. You can accessorize. Don't forget to accessorize. Oh, make me a bracelet while I'm over here talking. Ooh, baby, don't play with her. Ooh. Oh. Oh.
Period.
So you got the chunky bangle. What you know about it? What you period, what you know. Hey. Now you don't want to do another on the other arm, cause baby, you gotta know when to stop now. You gotta know when you're doing too much. Don't play with her. She's not one of them.
Alright, and then
Oh, wait a minute. Not got to get the cowboy hat. Whoa. Maybe doing it in the club, they head a little big and it's okay. You ain't use a little polka dot thing. Oh, the shirt come out. You want to take it in the back or something?
yeah,
Your titties stay in.
yes, let's take it in the back.
Okay, I get you. You gotta get you a big piece of tape, you know, make sure that thing stay over. Then you got you an outfit and a game. Baby, you get bored in the club. There you go. Well, what you know? Baby, we is giving.
I'm a hot girl. I do hot.
Spin that check, huh? On my outfit.
Hey.
Period, honey. We're giving. Let me fix my bracelet. Y'all don't try to play me on my bracelet now. Oh, we hope that y'all enjoy us making a complete fool of ourselves.
Yes. This is crazy.
What this is.
It's ridiculous.
If you want to see more creative videos like all of this, honey. Oh, wait a minute. My shirt messed up. All of this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to see you guys in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching.
See.